Greetings from ELEATION, CAD and CAE training, internship, and placement programs. A heartfelt thank you from everyone at ELEATION for showing interest in ELEATION's Center of Excellence. ELEATION's HyperWorks Basic Training Program. In ELEATION's HyperWorks Basic Training Program we will cover Theory of CAE Computer Aided Engineering, Theory of FEM, FE Basics of Finite Element Methods, Step-by-step static analysis for 1D models, Clear guide to thermal analysis on 2D models, Mastering modal analysis on 3D models, Techniques for inertia relief analysis on 3D models, How to access free training on ELEATION's HyperWorks Basic Training Program. Visit www.eleation.com/coe. Click on Start Free Training under our HyperWorks Basic Training Program section. A fresh page will display 6 engaging sessions. Use Session Video buttons to view and understand each topic easily. How to download HyperWorks software? Simply press Download HyperWorks Software button to download HyperWorks software. Download Training Certificate of ELEATION's HyperWorks Basic Training Program, Theory PDFs, classwork and homework models. Click on Pay and download Training Certificate. This guides you to the Instamojo payment page. Select the mode of payment and complete the payment process. Once done, tap the classwork and homework buttons by each session to download theory PDFs and model files. Use Download Training Certificate button to download your proud certificate of ELEATION's HyperWorks Basic Training Program. Thank you for showing interest in ELEATION's HyperWorks Basic Training Program. If you need any updates or information from us, feel free to contact us via support@eleation.com. For the latest buzz on CAD and CAE, catch us and stay updated on LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.